All right, we're gonna talk about how I build a brand, like a personal brand from zero in 2026. So I'd pick one thing I'm actually really good at. I document everything that I know about it, right? And I'd post every single day until the market really tells me, what it wants. How I turn 1,000 followers into a business. Guys, you don't need more followers. You need 1,000 of the right people. A problem they're gonna pay to solve, and an offer that solves it. It's that simple. Followers are just a number, okay? Attention is the asset because whoever controls the attention controls where the money goes. How to actually make money from your personal brand? You gotta turn what you know into an offer. You gotta create content that proves you can get results and give people a clear path to buy from you. It's that simple. And then the personal brand funnel, like nobody explains this, okay? Content gets the attention, proof builds the trust, your offer creates the desire, and your funnel turns that attention into customers. And if I were to lose everything tomorrow, okay, this is how I'd start again. I'd start by posting immediately, right? I'd sell probably a high value service based on what I already knew. I'd get results. I'd turn those results into content and then scale from there. How I'd make my first 10,000 with a personal brand? I would rather get 5 people to pay me 2,000 to solve a real problem than chase, 100,000 followers, hoping someone eventually buys. I get this question all the time. Why your content only gets 300 views? Your content gets 300 views because you're talking about what you want to say instead of what people actually want to watch. How I would create 100 pieces of content a month. I'd film a few long form videos every week. I'd have my team, turn every idea, every story, lesson into a hot topic and, just take clips from that. You guys got to stop trying to go viral. You got to do this instead of chasing random viral views. And you guys got to start creating content that attracts the exact people who could eventually become customers of you. The hook formula that I use, I stop the scroll, I call out the person, I hit a problem or a desire they already care about, and then I create enough curiosity that they have to hear the next sentence. So the top of the funnel, this is to get the content in front of the people who don't know who you are yet. Middle of the funnel, now they know you, this is where you show them actually what you're talking about. And then the bottom of the funnel, that's where you stop just giving value and you give them the right person a reason to actually take action and buy from you. How do I turn views into leads? All right, you gotta stop sending people nowhere. You gotta give them a reason to follow you, trust you, and take one clear next step. The difference between content that gets views and content that just gets customers, right? Content that gets views entertains people, but content that gets customers makes the right person realize you can solve their problem. You guys don't have a content problem. You have an offer problem. And if people are watching your shit, but nobody's buying, then you probably don't need more content. You need something, people actually want to buy. Nobody cares how much shit is inside your program. They care about what it's actually gonna do for them. How to build an offer people actually want. You guys gotta find a painful problem people are already spending money on trying to, fix and build the easiest, the fastest path, and you can get them the result the fastest. What making my first 1 million taught me, I'd say making my first $1 million taught me that getting good at something makes you money, but building systems and people around lets you scale. I wish somebody told me earlier that being busy and actually moving the business forward are two completely different things. Why most of these entrepreneurs, they stay broke. Most entrepreneurs stay broke because they're addicted to starting new shit instead of getting insanely good at selling one thing, really. The difference between making 10,000 and 100,000 a month, at 10,000 a month, you can still do everything yourself. But at 100,000, you need people, you need systems, you need sales, you need, something that works out without you even touching anything. You guys gotta stop doing everything yourself. Like if you're still doing a $20 an hour task in your company, you're not saving money. You're wasting the most expensive person's time, which is yours. The businesses that I'd start with 1,000 today, $1,000, I'd start a service-based business around a skill companies already pay for, get customers first and worry about all the little fancy shit later. What I do differently if I were 21 again, I would stop trying to look successful, learn one skill that makes a lot of money, sell the shit out of it, invest everything back into myself and the business. It's that simple. The core teaching is attention, trust, offer, money. Get their attention, earn their trust, put the right offer in front of them, and give them a clear way to buy. That's the whole game. It's that simple.